Does the word programming cause you anxiety? Maybe you've been overwhelmed or discouraged by a previous attempt at it. 3 years ago, you said, I was going to learn Python, but you're just kind of justifying, procrastinating, saying, well, I've gotten along just fine. And besides, life is kind of busy right now. Or worse yet, you convinced yourself now that I'm an artist and programming is just not what artists are good at. Well, whatever your situation is, you're in luck. In this video, I am kicking off a series called Python for the Anxious Artist. So stick around and check out this video. Starting something new can be a rather scary journey, and learning programming can be especially so. But you can learn anything, and hopefully this video is going to grease those wheels of procrastination, inaction, and help you get started on the right path to learning Python. This is also a great Python crash course for individuals who may be interested in becoming a pipeline TD within the games and film industry. So to begin, we need to ask the question, why even learn to code? As computer graphics artists, our day-to-day job involves us sitting right in front of a computer and telling the computer to do things. So it becomes a natural extension that the ability to tell the computer to do things automatically becomes a highly advantageous skill that is very important both for the individual artist as well as a team. And that's just what programming is. It is this skill to tell computers to do things automatically. If you're excited to learn Python, hit the like button. So why learn Python? Let me give you 3 reasons. The first reason being that Python is the #1 language in DCC applications and game engines. If you look at any major DCC digital content creation application out there, like Maya, Houdini, Nuke, Blender, all of it implements Python, including Unreal Engine and Unity. That means the easiest way to tell all these applications to do things automatically is to learn Python. Secondly, the ability to automate and create anything. Python allows you to perform really complex file, image manipulations outside of DCC applications. You can create intuitive graphical user interfaces as well. It can be used to ensure files are named right, stored right. You can use it to watermark, resize, convert images, or even perform complex operations like recognizing faces on a set of images. Anything can literally be automated with Python. What that means is it can free you and your team from laborious, mundane tasks. Focus your mental energy on creating more art, and honestly, it will dramatically scale your ability to create. And that's the reason why pipeline TDs are so prized in this industry. To put it another way, as master artists, the tools that we can keep around our tool belt are very important tools. And Python can be one of those tools in our arsenal because it is the tool that can literally create any tool. Thirdly, it is easily the most fun, powerful, and easy to learn language in the world. And over the years, I've learned many programming languages. I've learned Java, C, C#, C++, JavaScript, PHP, just to name a few. But Python is the easiest and one of the most powerful programming languages that I've learned. With Python, you can go as deep as you want. You can create anything from simple scripts to complex enterprise programs. Half of Google is built with Python. Well, I used to like programming, but Python made me fall in love with coding. Stack Overflow calls Python, quote, the fastest growing programming language, unquote, and, quote, the second most loved language, unquote, by over 8 million developers worldwide. Wow. So I wanted to address a couple of questions about this series. How many videos will there be? I'm not sure at this point in time. There will be as many as it takes to learn Python, but ideally each video will be less than 10 minutes. Why this video series? So I have been both a software developer, a VFX artist, as well as a teacher. And there's so many videos out there that teach Python to software developers, but there are not many that teach Python to CG artists and just in general people who are interested in learning Python. What will be in this series? Well, you will learn some basic Python and we will make sure that we keep all of the content non-DCC specific. At the end of this series, you should feel rather confident about your ability to tell the computer to do something. On a personal note, I would love if this is the series that gets you to fall in love with programming. Why not just learn Python within a DCC app? Well, this is a basic introduction to Python, and I didn't want to go into details that are specific to DCC applications. We will delve into those topics in future courses if there is sufficient interest, so let me know in the comments below if that's something that you're interested in. So what's the best way to follow this video? Well, the best way to follow this video is one, to make sure you hit subscribe and click on the bell so you get notified whenever a new video in this series gets released. The other thing you should do is just watch these videos through once and then the second time come back and actually follow through with the steps. Just like how you would learn sculpting, modeling, or any other skill by actually practicing and doing it. In the same way, that's how you acquire your programming skills and knowledge of Python, is by actually programming and getting your muscle memory to remember how it's like to actually code in Python. Hopefully, I got you excited enough about Python and this series, because I am super excited about this series and I can't wait to share this with you. I wish that you would join me on this learning journey, and I really hope that you give me the privilege of introducing this powerful tool to you, because I know that's going to dramatically change the way you look at how you create. Now, if you're excited about more videos in this series, please hit the subscribe button and click the bell, and I'll see you in the next video. This is the part where I pass the buck back to you and you tell me in the comments below why you are learning Python.